Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Twitter app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Twitter. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here we click. Then we click on force stop and clear cache, as you see, and you can turn off your Wi-Fi in the end of all these steps. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.